Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see.
This is some of the damage from the test. The hot gases going through these valves just melted them. This prints at 260 degrees centigrade. So I'm making a new set. We found something quite surprising. That's how we found it. There should have been an injector. This is one of the old ones that screws in there with the optimized head. But what occurred, because we basically capped it and put a lot of 2mm holes in there, there was a back pressure. So when the 1000 psi oxygen hit it, it actually snapped it off, blew it into the center, vaporized it, and then the whole setup was exposed to 1000 psi again, which was exactly how it was when we did the previous test. But this time we'd strengthened everything. So what occurred was, here, look. In fact, it blew in exactly the same place. Here, look. It blew out each one in that same place. But they were aluminium last time. This time, because they were done in steel, it all held together and it passed the problem down the hoses, through the valves, all the way back to the oxygen cylinders, which blew up. So what I'm going to do, I think clearly this is it. So that's a piece of the molten injector. You can see small globules in the fuel, the silver specks. There's another piece up there. Yeah, that's totally a piece of aluminium.